If you said anybody but her, you're wrong as hell. You don't know me. It's the Bestie, the hairstylist Bestie. Let's do a fit check. She's live.
We got tips. We got some cargos or painter's fits. I don't know. Some flannel that I cut off.
And so who did your hair?
Me. And braids my bride.
Okay, thank you.
Braids on the cuts.
Thank you. That's how you do it. So yes, we are downtown. Perfect timing. That works. Lighting is good. Camera gotta go away. Bye, guys. Outside in your city looking good. Ooh, not even watching where I'm walking. Anyway, that's not the point. We taking pictures. If she shot him, she got him. What are you talking about? We walking around looking for some scenery to take some pictures. Yeah, and that camera eats a little bit more than this one. I don't know. It's kind of scary.
Wait, hold on. Stop walking. Let me just make sure we're walking in the direction of a train and not the opposite direction of the train. Yeah.
Let's go. At least she was smart enough to check. Cause me, I just go with the flow. Maybe that's a bad thing, but she hasn't let me wrong once. So what the fuck I'm gonna start using my brain for now? Clock that.
Yeah, we're about to go to, what's this shit called? Anytime Kitchen.
Right.
It's like, I think it's Korean. Don't mistake. No, don't listen to me. I don't know. It's in Koreatown, so I'm assuming it's Korean.
Yeah, I think it's Korean too.
And if the food is good, y'all gonna see in the next clip or so.
Y'all gonna see. We outside in the city looking good.
Like all our pictures.
Exactly, because we posted them. Oh, and I have a video to post for tomorrow. I did a clothing haul.
Lit.
I was gonna post it today, but I finished editing it. Let's get a little. No, I hate when my phone does that. You know, when it does like that yellow shutter thing instead of just taking the picture right away. Like, don't make me mad. Thumbnail vibes. And yeah, we outside, guys, on a lovely Sunday. My mom said, about time you using that camera, Gloria. Mind your business, Gloria. When you see this, mind your business, because she watches all my videos. My biggest fan.
Talk about my mom like that.
We love her.
See how she always
mind your business. Damn. And you defending her.
You raised her better than this. Out here cursing in these folk streets. Like she ain't got no sense.
You have to act like you have some.
Shot him, I got him.
If she shot him, she got him. If she braided it, she got that too. I ain't gonna lie.
Facts.
She got it.
Hold it.
Hold it. Ooh. Green? Oh. I'm thinking somebody in that damn car, bro. Live on that Molly, don't think right. It's about to be an green light. I get in my feelings off that handle. I'ma be this way until the end of. Yeah, we definitely going to that concert, y'all. That's gonna be vlog too, but on my phone because we can't bring cameras in there, unfortunately. Because if we could, movie.
Viral.
Ow. We're walking. I feel like I've been neglecting y'all, but it's okay.
We didn't really, well, we went into 2nd Street. Low-key regret not getting them sneakers, but
it is what it is.
We lose some, we win some, but
right.
We live to fight another day, and that's all that matters. Clock it. At the end of the day.
Clock it, catch it.
Clock it, make a woman drop it, in a pocket,
whatever she's saying. I don't know what they doing, but they over there recording something. So yeah. We love that. It's mad zoomed in.
That's tough, that's special.
Right, that's very cutesy. Very cutesy. Very cutesy. But I would do about yabba 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 who bop. Yeah, because where were you going, sir? Would have caught him 4K. Okay, stop my recording. The corner over here? This is very cute, very exclusive. Now we gotta look at the menu. Oh, on the phone. Okay, sorry. I kind of had you a little cut off. So. Oh, okay, it's okay then. I thought I just need. I'm gonna look at the menu now and see what we get. I'm gonna come back to y'all when I figure out what I'm getting from the menu. I'm looking. Hey guys, taste test. Actually, let me take this jacket off. I'd rather get something on my shirt than my mother's jacket. Shouldn't touch. I haven't used chopsticks in so long. Let's see if that's the bad. Love that. Let's try the rice. It looks a little mushy. Now let's try one of these chicken thighs. Took two. 2 and 1. That's good. This is busted. Yeah, I'm a little rusty with the chopsticks, not too much on me. I give that chicken a 10, not gonna lie, that's really good. What is this, like cheese? It's like cheese, this like Good Friday. That's what it looks like. Try cheese balls. She got me eating balls, yeah. I don't know what it is. Look what we're getting now. Touch the order. Well, maybe we should touch the order.
There's some inside too. Go inside?
Oh my goodness, yes. Do they have boba too?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can get your boba and I can get my strawberries.
Yeah. Yeah. Where's your strawberries? Oh.
They said fuck my strawberries.
You seen them?
No.
Well, it might be a different one. Yeah, I think it's a different one.
Maybe. Yes, Tanghulu. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, this is what I want, guys. This is it. They didn't like you.
Which one?
Oh, do I want the strawberries? The strawberries? Yes, I want the strawberry. Yes.
Oh. That's it?
Yeah, let's try strawberry ones. That's a funny looking duck. Okay. New spot, new spot.
Excited, Mike.
Thanks. I'm happy.
You ready to get your boba? Yeah, I might get it from a different place.
Okay. Excuse me. I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna try this. Oh yes, that's very cute. Record this and then very cutesy. You're so considerate, very mindful.
Better? Sweet?
Yeah, yeah.
There we go.
And I can make that a thumbnail too. We love a considerate friend who supports the content. Okay, we're gonna try this now, and it better be good.
It's good.
I like it. You want strawberry?
Yeah.
You take the one after.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. It tastes like candied strawberry.
They got both.
Candy apple strawberry.
Candy apple. Sure.
That's what it tastes like.
Bro, look, they got.
Guys, you have to try it.
We just like break it off.
That's me. That's me. And I never would have knew that I would do that. Okay, cut the camera. Messy, but it's good. Yes, please. Thanks. Alright guys, I'm gonna put you guys away while I eat this. Guys, I'm so happy with this. What's this?
That's what you were looking at.
Oh, that's what they were eating.
But it has to stay cold. Do you think we could make it till we get home?
Maybe. It's like frozen hard, or you can't even tell.
That's hard. It's hard. I think it's just a hard mango. You want to try it? It's a hard mango. Feel it. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it is.
I think
Is it
we'll
like
be
ice cream though? Or is it just... I'm confused.
Oh yeah, it is ice cream.
See what's upstairs. Upstairs is so cute.
보다 못 받는 거 아니야?
It's like a Korean 99 cent store. Yeah, this is really cool. Yummy, yummy.
I wish I knew what half of this stuff said.
Right.
I'm gonna try something.
You just gotta go eeny, meeny, miny, mo at this point.
At that point, right? Okay.
Well, now I have the whisk.
And then there's chips in the next aisle, but there's all the candies.
You had to watch for how long exactly to get the whisk.
This is so good, y'all. I'm amazed.
You wanna look at the toys?
Yeah, we can. Why not? Hello. Very cool.
want to try Tanghulu and then
every culture. That's what I want to do in my life, guys. I've seen YouTubers try those shrimp chips. Yeah. But they be so... Yes.
it's kind of a cream.
She's the... I'll do it if you do it. We both trying those. You're mine, I'll do it if you do it. Literally. Can't go wrong.
Yeah, in that line is long. I don't think we get an easy game.
Listen, they don't want to see us be great? Question mark?
Maybe it's not meant to be. Maybe we're just supposed to see it.
Sheesh. Oh no. Yeah, no. This line is ridiculous. Puts back. It was worth a try. That line is too long. I'm happy with this, so I don't really care. I know I could treat you better than he can. Gentlemen, tell me where are you wasted time, but on your wasted crime when you could be with me instead. I know I could better than he can. Better than he can. I want my few. The flavors are melting on my tongue. Something's wrong with me, y'all, but it's okay.